Boys and girls, good morning. So for your first math lesson, you're going to look at the object chart again. Remember, I told you that the object chart is used to sort our data to help us to organize to make counting easier. So boys and girls, I'm going to share now what I wanted to do. With the help of your parents, I would like you to draw up this table. And before you draw the table, you're going to label, this is your title, balls owned by students in first year. So this morning, some students came, but I had told them yesterday to bring a ball to school. And when I put the balls together, I noticed that the balls were of 3 different colors. So students bought red balls, blue balls, and green balls. So each student had to bring 1 ball. So draw up your table. You have 1, 2, 3 columns, and then you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. At the bottom, in your first column, last row, you're going to write the word red, then you're going to write the word blue, and then the word green. When you can pause the video to drop your table, because next I'm going to journey with you on how we are going to construct your table. Because when I select the ball or place it into the table, you're going to draw a ball to represent that ball and color it that color. So boys and girls, this slide here is showing us the balls that the students would have brought to class. Remember, it's 1 ball per student. So each student bought 1 ball, but the balls were grouped into, well, the balls were of 3 different colors. What you're going to do now is that when I select a ball and put it into the column, you're going to represent that by drawing a ball and coloring it so that at the end, we would both have the same table. So I'm going to start on this end here. This is a red. So I'm going to take the red ball and put it into the red column right above the word red. And notice it's in its own box, okay? The next one I have is blue. Another blue. I'm sorting my balls into colors. Yeah, and the balls represent the students in the first year class. Here I have a green. So draw your ball, color it green. Next, we have here another blue. So draw a blue above and above the blue there. Notice every ball is in a column or a box by itself. So you're going to put a red in this box, a blue on top here, red again. We're going to have a blue here. Remember, you're drawing the balls to represent the different colors. So you can pause this video and draw the ball when I pull it and then resume. And finally, we have another green. So at the end of this, you should have a table looking like this. Look at your table. And we can answer several questions using this table, because you can look at the table and say, wow, 3 students bought red balls, or 2 students bought green balls. And look at that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students bought blue balls. Now, boys and girls, you can also say that more students bought blue balls. Yes, the most amount of students had blue balls. Now we can see that the blue was the most, okay? But we can also answer the question, how many more blue balls are there than red balls? We know that the blue was the most, or blue is more than red, but now we want to figure out how many more blue balls are there than red balls. And as usual, we match up 1 to 1, a red with a blue, a red with a blue, a red with a blue. And the extras would tell us the more. So how many more you got? Look at that there. 2 more students had blue balls than red balls. Let's try it with blue, green, and red. Which one is more? Yes, boys and girls, the red is more. But how many more red are there than green balls? So we're matching up. A red with a blue, sorry. A red with a green. A red with a green. And the extra there, that's 1, tells us the more red that it has than green. So there is 1 more red ball than green. So boys and girls, take your time and do this activity and really enjoy it so that you will understand how to read these charts.